What up, though? Welcome back to the channel. The Homeschool Dad here. This is a place where you're going to learn entrepreneurship, how to make money online, and basically we're going to get you to quit your 9 to 5. So without further ado, we're about to get right into it. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to share with you how you're going to obtain $5,000 credit limit with only using your 580 credit score. So let's go over this. For the first step, when we're trying to obtain the $5,000 credit limit, is to improve your credit. So if you watched the previous video, which was how to get secure credit cards and to improve your credit score by downloading the application and filling out the application and securing your deposit for your secure credit card, then you move on to this step. This step is allowing you to obtain the $5,000 credit limit. So not only are we building credit with the secure credit card, we're also accessing the $5,000 credit limit through a new credit card company. And so I know everybody is looking forward to tapping into that information. So if you've been building your credit like previous video, like I was saying, then now you may be at a 580, 590, 600, whatever the case may be. Now you're able to access different credit limits. So in this particular video, I want to share with you what you can do with that 580 credit score. In particular, with your Experian credit profile. Your Experian credit profile allow you to get a $5,000 credit score. At least this is what happened for me. So since it happened to me, I'm able to share with you on how you'll be able to access that $5,000 credit limit. And what I want you to do is first pull your credit profile, whatever company that you're working with, or whatever company, transferring your Experian, Equifax. In particular, I want you to pull your Experian credit file. If you're at 580, this can get you that $5,000 credit limit. And what I'm talking about is, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so you want to build your credit. This is the way to do it. Now that you have the 2 secure credit cards on your profile, now it looks like other lenders are willing to give you credit, another available credit limit. So now you're going to apply to, so here's a little tutorial. If you want to get to the $5,000, for your available credit limit, you have to build your credit at least to a 580. And that's on Equifax, I believe. I'm going to double check and send you a link, or the link will be in the description. And so when you're doing that, you want to also be building your credit every month, still paying your bills on time. And while you're doing that, you'll be able to access what I said, 5,000 credit limit. And the company is K Jewelers. Show you the way. This is the way to build that credit, get that money. Want to learn more? Continue to watch the video. Follow me. What you want to do is you're going to go to www.kjewelers.com and you're going to fill out the application. The first step will be make sure that you have enough, that your credit score is where it needs to be. 580 or better. 580 or better. 580 or better. I'm going to say it again. And you fill out the application and you're able to, as long as you have some type of credit line on your credit profile, it lets them know that another bank or institution trusts you enough to give you available credit. Then you are able to be in their system to be able to get approved for a $5,000 credit limit. So the video was about how to get, what's the credit hack to get $5,000 credit limit using your 580 credit score. And this is a hack. As long as you have a 580 credit score with Equifax and you have one reporting trade line in good standings with on your credit report, you are able to apply with K Jewelers. And K Jewelers will give you a up to $5,000 credit limit. As you see, I've had this maybe for like 4 or 5 years now. My credit limit went up since then, but I started off with, it wasn't exactly $5,000 to me backtracking, $4,850. But I call it $5,000 because everybody else would. You know what I'm talking about? So I was able to build my credit and be able to access more credit cards from having that extra trade line, primary trade line. That primary trade line was through K Jewelers, Synchrony Bank, and they gave me a $5,000 credit limit, only having a 580 credit score. So again, to sum up the video, in order for you to get $5,000 credit limit, credit card with this particular company, you have to have at least a 580 credit score. You have to have at least one trade line on your credit report. And then you can apply to, like I said, it's called K Jewelers. They get you all the way up to, I guess, first time. Well, they started me off with $4,800, almost $5,000 credit limit. And I'm gonna tell you, just like I told everybody else, follow for more. And if you know anything about my channel, is we're trying to promote quitting a 9-to-5, starting to make your own money, making money online, or starting your own business side hustle. And so today, I'm talking about credit, because credit is going to allow you to be able to do whatever you want to as far as obtaining loans, buying equipment, buying products, whatever for your business. So I want you to tune into the channel, keep on watching, supporting. Don't forget to like, follow, share the video. Without further ado, love and light. As always, salute, my baby.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Alright, everybody put y'all motherfucking hands up. It's 50K wild gang in this bitch, nigga. Let's go crazy. Nah, that's a little too turned for the intro. Shit. Yeah, y'all know what it is, nigga. It's more in this bitch, nigga. Nah. Hey, what up? What up, 734, nigga? This my motherfucking city, nigga. So we finna go crazy for y'all niggas real quick, nigga. We on that. No, that's like, that nigga like that. He like, damn, this nigga came out on tip already. Shit, I think that's a little too aggressive, shit. What up, everybody? I appreciate everybody for coming out tonight. Everybody who came to support. Everybody who just here off the humbug type shit. You feel me? I'm glad y'all here. You feel me? It's 50K wild gang in this bitch, nigga. We finna rock out tonight at the 734, bro. DJ, hit that music. Hell yeah.